Sweetie and Mickey are usually soulmates living in harmony, unlike the time they start pranking each other. What did they invent this time? Watch in our new video. Sweetie's having her tea. Her caring boyfriend's brought her something sweet. He offers a candy to his girlfriend. How cute! Sweetie takes off the wrapping and sees someone's brain? Add cool water to gelatin. When it swells, add hot water and a spoon of condensed milk. Put in a little food coloring to make the jelly pale pink. Pour it into a special brain mold. Refrigerate until hardened. Remove the brains from the mold and put on a candy wrapper. Ugh! Ghastly! Mickey gives her another candy. He says there'll be no surprise in it. Certainly! There's the same muck inside. Is he trying to say I need a new brain? Mickey isn't confused about the weird candy. It tastes like sweet jelly. A man next to an oven is a rare and exciting case. It's weird anyway. Sweetie's proud of her boyfriend when she sees him cooking. What has he baked this time? I wonder. You'll need 3½ ounces of soft butter. Add 1 1/8 ounce of sugar and cream the butter and sugar together. Add 3½ ounces of sour cream and put in 9 to 10 ounces of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Put in 5 to 6 drops of green food coloring. Mix it to blend. Make circles. Place them on baking paper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Is it green cookies you've made? Sweetie isn't happy. The cookies look like they've been made of duckweed, but Mickey likes them a lot. He adores weird things, unlike his girlfriend who didn't appreciate his efforts. I was wrong. The cookies are really tasty. At least I can eat them all now. If my boyfriend appreciates cooking so much, I'll cheer him up with funny toast. And I will apologize for the cookies in this way. Wrap a slice of bread in foil. Cut out an outline using a craft knife. Let it be a bikini, for example. Toast it. When ready, remove the foil. The picture is clearly seen. You can make different messages in this way. I bring the decorated toast to my boyfriend. He looks happy. He enjoys eating them. Sweetie can spend lots of time in the bathroom, so Mickey's going to prank her there. Hot glue a toothbrush to a cup. Put in the toothpaste. Sweetie's going to brush her teeth, but her toothbrush is stuck to the holder. It doesn't stop her. She pulls it up to take it out. Now, there's another challenge of how to squeeze the toothpaste. It's closed with hot glue. Cover the nozzle of the toothpaste tube with hot glue. Put on the cap. Sweetie thinks it's enough. She's come out of the bathroom. Hooray! Mickey can go and brush his teeth at last. The bathroom is empty. Mickey squeezes toothpaste and hears his phone ringing. He goes out of the bathroom to answer the phone call. It's a perfect moment for pranking him back. Sweetie washes off the paste Mickey squeezed onto his brush and puts on her special paste. Take wrapping from a white wax crayon. Snip off a little piece. Put it on the brush. Heat it with a lighter. The wax melts, shaping like the squeezed out toothpaste. Sweetie puts the brush back. Mickey finishes his conversation and sees his paste hardened. Is it not the paste? Whiten your teeth with the white wax. Mickey knows that Sweetie likes animals so much. That's why he puts jellyfish into her bottle. Pour a little water into a clear plastic bag. Tie it up with a thread. Cut the plastic tail into strips. Put the fake jellyfish into a bottle with fruit tea.